Welcome to our guide on website accessibility and how to comply with the Equality Act. Let's dive in and explore how your business can ensure an inclusive digital experience for all. Disclaimer: we are not lawyers and this video does not constitute legal advice. Website accessibility is essential for ensuring that everyone, including people with disabilities, can use your website effectively. For businesses, this isn't just best practice, it's a legal requirement under the Equality Act 2010. The Equality Act legally protects individuals from discrimination, including in online spaces. For websites, this means creating accessible experiences that allow all users to access services without barriers. If your site isn't accessible, you could face legal consequences. Accessible websites come with many benefits beyond compliance. They allow everyone to participate, from older adults to those with temporary disabilities. Improved accessibility also enhances user experience, boosts engagement, and even helps your search engine rankings, thanks to better structured content. So why comply? First, it provides a competitive edge. Many businesses haven't addressed accessibility, so by prioritizing it, you can stand out. It also protects your brand's reputation by demonstrating a commitment to inclusivity, fostering trust and loyalty among your customers. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines are the global standards. For most organizations, Level AA compliance is the goal, balancing accessibility with practical implementation. These guidelines focus on 4 key areas: being perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. A perceivable guideline example is including alt text for images, so visually impaired users understand your content. An operable guideline example is ensuring keyboard-only navigation for those unable to use a mouse. So, how can you start? Begin with an accessibility audit to identify gaps. Then, work with your development team to make improvements, whether that's updating content, simplifying navigation, or testing for screen reader compatibility. If building a new site, choose an agency experienced in accessible design. Training your team on accessibility can also be invaluable. Workshops on accessible content creation can ensure that every new update maintains compliance, keeping your site inclusive as it evolves. Complying with the Equality Act 2010 isn't just a legal requirement, it's a commitment to inclusivity. By prioritizing accessibility, you create a better experience for all users, protect your brand, and potentially improve your SEO. Making your website accessible is an effort worth making for a more inclusive web.